係啦，靜一靜啊！嗱，呢位咧就係咧當年老先生喎，佢咧就係咧呢個省我哋紐省嘅議員嘅，代表我哋問題區嘅。
We're here to celebrate Senior Citizens Week, which I think is next week, and I'd like to congratulate all the senior citizens here in my wonderful electorate and the enormous contribution you make to our society.
咁咧就當年老先生咧佢係省議員嚟㗎嘛，咁咧佢省咧直接咧定咗咧係本來下個星期慶祝我哋當高齡週嘅，不過咧就我哋改咗今日，我哋都唔緊要，一樣咁開心嘅。
东岭先生他是我们怀德区牛省的省议员，那么牛省呢下一周是敬老周，那么今天我们首先在这里聚会呢，东岭先生就恭祝各位长者，就是我们提前庆祝。
The thing that I reflected on just now is often senior citizens are thanked because of their wisdom, but the other most important thing that you do is you share the histories and the customs and the traditions to the next generation, like we just saw with the dumplings.
係啦，傳統上咧，長者咧係俾我哋感覺咧就係智慧嘅，但係咧啱啱當年先生咧就感覺到喎，佢話咧唔止係咁啊，同埋咧係咧將我哋嘅文化傳統習俗傳俾下一代。
那么传统上呢，长辈们呢，他们给人的印象就是他们是非常有智慧。那东北先生呢，他刚才也讲，就是刚才我们看到了一个实例，就是怎么样长辈们把这个传统呢，就传给下一辈的人，传给我们年轻人。
In strong families and in strong communities, which this community clearly is, it's as important for children to go up to their grandparents and their elders and ask for words of wisdom, but in addition, for their grandparents and the elders to teach them things about traditions so that they are not lost.
咁咧就當年先生咧就好感謝大家長者咧係能夠咧係義不容辭咁樣咧係咧好努力咁咧就咧教導大家嗰啲孫喎，特別係你哋嘅孫仔孫女喎，係教導佢哋咧點樣係咧秉承我哋中國良好嘅傳統。
就是說孩子們他們會向長者們去求教，去學習他們的智慧。那麼也是很重要的，就是我們作為長者們也是要向年輕的一代呢去傳播這個傳統，讓這個傳統不要失去。
So even though you think you may be in retirement, you still have a job to do, and that is to teach the younger generation the wonderful, beautiful culture and traditions that you know yourselves.
You are hard man.
Yes.
佢話咧唔俾大家退休喎，你哋仲有嘢做喎，不過咧就冇錢嘅，就係咧要咧負責咧就係照顧你個孫仔孫女啦。
那他說呢，就說大家呢算是退休的年齡，但是請你不要退休，還要把這個傳統呢交給我們的年輕的一輩。
I'm sure they are happy to do that.
That's good. And finally, I'd like to say that I really, when I come to events like this and I'm with the community like this, I am so grateful because I love my job, and the more I come to these events, the more I love and appreciate this enormous community and the contribution you make to it. So thank you very much for having me here again.
咁咧好多謝大家咧，今日咧係邀請兩位嘉賓上嚟啦，咁咧我哋咧拍手掌多謝佢好唔好？
感謝今天我們的嘉賓，他說每次他來這樣的活動呢，他就感覺他的工作是非常好的一個工作，非常的欣賞。
Thank you，
謝謝。